Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. On the link chart, we are still dealing with a possible 1-2 setup here, highlighted in yellow, as discussed in previous videos, because we have a pretty nice 5-wave move up of the June lows. And what we need to be looking at in the very short term is now, can price hold this support area? So this is a 5-wave move up, so we can give it a chance to count it possibly as a wave 1. Yeah. Not exactly impulsive. I still would count it as a leading diagonal, but we can give it, therefore, nevertheless a chance that we are turning around the trend. It would not be entirely clear how it fits into the bigger picture, because the move down was only in 3 waves. Yeah. Not entirely great, so ideally one more low is coming. Not because I want price to come down, but ideally because of the overall structure. It's just the more probable scenario overall. However, of course, it could be that before this wave down comes, we get an extended 4th wave. Yeah? So looking at the proportions, it's absolutely possible that this wave 4 goes a little higher, and that the 5 waves start to the upside of the June lows in a 5-wave move, that this was an A wave, we come down in a B wave and then rally in a C wave, or more bullish, a 1, 2, 3, and then a 4 and a 5. Either way, we can speculate about that. That's stuff for the future. What is more important is now more imminently, because we've got a possible trade setup on the long side here with decent reward to risk. This support area, yeah, so we've got the support levels of $6, so that worked already a few times here. Price touched it. I often say that in a wave 2, the A wave reacts to the 38.2 retracement. It did that, yeah, bounced, and now I assume we are in a B wave because it's corrective. Yeah, it's pretty much in line with the Bitcoin count, pretty much in line with the Ethereum count. So one more wave down in a C wave would be reasonable. And then I'm looking at targets around 581 and 560 to complete this pullback. The move down looks definitely corrective overall, yeah, and the move, because of this move to the upside especially. So it seems likely to get one more wave down. Yeah, so there are a few different ways how this can be counted. I mean, maybe it's not a WXY, maybe it's just simply an A, B, C, and I actually might take out that WXY and just completely count it as an ABC as the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Good to keep it simple, even though it is very choppy. So I can't rule out it is a WXY, but then in a WXY, this B wave would be a bit high. So what we're looking for now is the more exact target for a C wave. I mean, again, the B wave hasn't necessarily topped, but it probably won't go much further, I would assume, if it's a B wave. And then we're looking at a target. The 1-to-1 ratio seems to be a common one at 567. Would certainly pay attention to that. The 1.618 extension goes just below the 78.6 retracement, just below that, so not a problem, but be aware that a sustained break below 530 would probably lead to new bear market lows. But at the moment, yeah, we are far away from that. And I can at the same time not confirm to you that price has already bottomed, because the move up is just corrective. So we need to have a bit more patience. We can look at the retracement levels and targets for the B wave. So if we draw the Fib retracements, you can see that price has now reached the 50% retracement basically. So this is typically the first likely level where I would assume a B wave reacts. And it's an ideal spot to come to the downside now. But again, there's no confirmation at this stage. So if it goes any higher, 635 is a resistance level, 644, and then 655. Yeah, that's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.